Wooden hardboard is been cut to size for the seating area and storage box. The foam has been cut to size, and I've used contact adhesive to stick the foam. Waiting for some leatherette to cover the seat. Just used my last bit of Dynamat to go round the skylights, as you can see. Waiting for some more foam soundproofing and insulator to be cut to shape and go round the skylights, and then I can finish with some more Celtec in this panel here, down the edges, round the skylights, and then next stage is starting of the roof insulation with the tongue and groove. Things are now getting a bit tidier in the back, and please like and subscribe, and thank you very much for looking.